Therapeutic laparoscopy requires pedicles such as the cystic duct to be ligated and divided. Clip applicators are used for this, followed by division using scissors. We're going to use a foam tree to demonstrate these particular techniques. Familiarize yourself with the clip applicator so that you know how it should be used. This exercise will also require the use of graspers. The application of an endo loop will also be demonstrated in this exercise. First of all, practice using a clip applicator outside the simulator. Insert 3 clips onto one of the limbs of the foam tree and then cut between them like this. The ender loop should be loaded backwards into an introducer and pulled through it until the loop becomes entirely withdrawn into the introducer. Practice applying the ender loop on your assistant's finger. Allow the loop to emerge. Hook it round the finger and break off the end of the ender loop as seen here. You're then in a position to tighten the loop and to push the knot down using the shaft of the ender loop. Tighten as appropriate. Now place the foam tree inside the simulator. Use a combination of graspers and scissors to dissect out a portion of foam. This is another useful exercise in the manipulation of instruments. Use the scissors as appropriate, always ensuring that before you actually cut, you can see that the scissor tips are correctly placed. Remove the excised segment. Now practice with a clip applicator and insert clips onto one of the limbs. Then divide between them. Once this has been done, practice using the ender loop by inserting it into an introducer, which is then passed through the 5mm port. We are now going to perform a simulated appendicectomy using the finger of an inflated glove as the appendix. Advance the ender loop into the simulator and then extend the loop. Pass a pair of grabbers under direct vision through the other 5mm port. Hook the ender loop around the appendix, easing it over with the grabbers if necessary. Once you have the loop at the base of the appendix, grasp it and then tighten the loop by breaking off the end of the ender loop and pulling back on the thread. To allow you to do this, get your assistant to hold the grabbers. Pull on the thread at the same time as tightening the knot with the shaft of the ender loop until the knot is secure and tight around the base of the appendix. Once you are sure that the knot is tight, withdraw the shaft of the ender loop and insert a pair of scissors down the same channel. You may now cut the suture. You may now cut off the appendix, and if your knot is secure, the rest of the glove won't deflate.